Visittemples.com is a divine website which tells you everything about a particular temple. We have a Google map for you to make you reach the temple on time. We have a weather forecast to plan your trip accordingly, and there's also a video link for you to have a glimpse of the temple. This Chowallur Shiva temple is located in the outskirts of Guruvayur. This is centuries old ancient Hindu temple which is west facing, and the entire temple premises is built on an elevated place. It is believed that Sage Parasurama had installed the Shiva Lingam here. It is one of the 108 Shiva temples located in Kerala and is one among the 5 famous Shiva Kshethrams close to Guruvayur. The entire temple premises is built on a whopping 4 acres of land, and there's a small welcome arch leading us to the temple. There are 2 elephants, one on either side of the steps leading to the temple premises. This Chowallur Shiva temple does not have any flagstaff or a Dwajasthambam. Instead, there is a roof place with the images of Lord Shiva, Parvathy, Ganapathy, Murugan and Iyyappan. There is a huge 10 feet tall Bali Peedam, and close to this is a multi-layered oil lamp facing the Moolasthanam. The Sanctum Sanctorum of Shiva, who is also known as Uma Maheswaran or Sri Mahadevan, is west facing and circular in shape. On the rear of this Moolasthanam is the Shrine of Goddess Parvathy, which is east facing. This temple has a sub-shrine for Ganapathy and Iyyappan, which is east facing. Apart from this, there is a north facing sub-shrine for the Thenmuga Paraman, who is also called as Dhakshinamoorthy or Guru Bhagwan. There is a shrine for Saptamatas or Saptakannikegal, comprising of Brahmi, Maheshwari, Gaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Indrani and Chamundi. In the outer peripheral, there is a subshrine for Subramanya or Murugan facing the east, and this subshrine is located on the northwest side of the temple premises. A Navagraha Sannadhi is dedicated in the outer peripheral. The subshrines of Hanuman and Simhodaran, who is also known as Siva Ganangal, is also located in the outer peripheral. There is an exclusive sacred temple tank or pushkarani for this temple. They have a temple office with various counters for different sevas. There is a Tulabaram facility existing in the temple, and devotees could avail the Tulabaram facilities. A mini area is earmarked within the temple premises, and this place is known as Uma Maheswara Mandapam. Divine functions and rituals pertaining to the temple and to those of the devotees could be conducted here with ease. A Prasada Counter exists within the temple premises, and devotees could pay and obtain the prasadams. Just opposite to the temple office, there is a Peepal Tree, which is considered as very sacred and revered. Maha Shivarathri and Margazhi Arudhra Darisanam are some of the famous festivals celebrated in this temple. Close to this Chowallur Shiva temple is the Krishna Kshethram, which should be visited by all devotees coming to this Shiva temple. To know more finer details about the temple, viewers can log into www.visittemples.com and get more details about this temple, and they can also read it in their vernacular language for which facilities have been added. This is Raghavachari on behalf of visittemples.com. I thank you all for watching this video.